Hello guys, welcome to gourabsartcraftworld. I'm Gaurav and today we're going to make this beautiful sculpture painting home sweet home decor. I was planning to do this type of floral sculpture painting from a long time and finally I've made it. This is my first time that I'm working with sculpture paste, so I hope you guys will enjoy it. First of all, I'm taking a 12 inches round MDF board, coloring it with Tuscan teal chalk paint. You can take any acrylic color or cover the whole base using sculpture paste. After completing it, let it dry. Now, on a glossy sheet, start preparing your sculpture paste. Using a palette knife, take out some sculpture paste and start preparing it in this way. I will share the list of the materials in the description box. Keep doing it continuously until you get a smooth consistency. After preparing your sculpture paste, start scraping it using a palette knife. In this way you have to prepare all the flower petals and leaves. Just scrape it and place it. In this way you have to prepare a few more petals, and after that, one by one, start placing them on the base. You can add multiple layers of petals. For the lower layer, the size of the petals should be big, but it will gradually decrease on the upper layers. First one was strawberry sorbet, and right now I'm using peach passion sculpture paste. In this way I'm preparing the middle petals in a small size. It can be a little bit time consuming, but you must not lose your patience to receive a beautiful outcome. After preparing those petals, start placing them in the middle of that flower. You can add this type of artificial pollens to make it more beautiful. In the same process, I will make more flowers using different colored sculpture paste. Now I'm going to prepare a dual color flower using white and yellow sculpture paste. Here I'm not mentioning the sizes of the palette knives whichever I'm using for this artwork. Palette knives comes in different shapes and sizes, and it's totally up to you whichever you feel comfortable to work with. See how beautiful these petals are. Now assemble all these petals on the base to prepare another flower. After that you can also prepare buds using the same sculpture paste. Now take red velvet and rose blush sculpture paste, mix them with each other and spread it over the glossy sheet. Now again start preparing the petals. There you got a beautiful flip and a beautiful petal. Now again taking rose blush and peach passion sculpture paste to prepare dual color petals. Again prepare some beautiful petals. For this flower, I'm going to place the lighter shade petals on the outer part and the darker shade in the middle. You can make a number of flowers to decorate your artwork. You don't have to follow the same design and the same colors. You can choose different colors as well. It's totally up to you how you want to decorate it. Now using seaweed sculpture paste, here I'm going to prepare some leaves. In this way you will need to join two flips to prepare the leaves. Prepare more leaves and then place them on the base one by one following your design. You can also add detailings in this way. Now I'm making another small yellow color flower bud. For this one, I'm using the smallest size palette knife. For the stems, here I'm going to use this green color ceramic cone. Now using mixed media paste and with the help of a stencil, here I'm going to make a 3D impression of Home Sweet Home writing. You can also change the shade by applying colors on it. For the borders, here I'm using a clay string. Now using this type of sharp tool, you can add some cuts on the clay strings. Now for the last finishing, color the border part and let it dry. So friends, finally our DIY floral sculpture painting Home Sweet Home decor has completed, and this is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed the video. So friends, do try this art form and don't forget to show me your artworks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.